A container ship is a large vessel designed for the transportation of containerized cargo, which is cargo that is loaded and unloaded in large, standardized containers. These ships are a vital part of global trade as they facilitate the efficient movement of goods across seas and oceans. Container ships can vary in size, but they are generally characterized by their ability to carry large numbers of these intermodal containers, which are typically 20 or 40 feet long. Key characteristics of container ships: containerized cargo. The main cargo on these ships is transported in containers, which are easier to handle, store, and transfer across different modes of transport: ship, truck, rail. Size. Container ships range from small feeder ships, carrying a few hundred containers, to the largest vessels known as ultra-large container ships, ULCS, capable of carrying up to 23,000 plus containers, measured in TEUs, or 20-foot equivalent units. Design. They typically have large cargo holds and decks with stacks of containers arranged in rows. Main shipping routes. Container ships operate on a network of global trade routes which are strategically designed to connect major ports around the world. The most common and important shipping routes for container ships include Asia-Europe route, main ports: Shanghai, Hong Kong, Singapore, Port Klang, Rotterdam, Hamburg, and Antwerp. This route is one of the busiest, connecting East Asia to Western Europe, carrying a significant volume of manufactured goods and electronics. Trans-Pacific route, main ports: Shanghai, Los Angeles, Long Beach, Oakland, and Seattle. This route connects Asia, especially China, Japan, and South Korea, with the west coast of the United States. It's one of the largest routes for moving consumer goods, electronics, and industrial products. North-south routes, main ports: Miami, New York, Buenos Aires, Sao Paulo, and Cape Town. These routes connect countries in North America with those in South America and the Caribbean, transporting agricultural products, industrial goods, and raw materials. Europe to North America, Atlantic route, main ports: Rotterdam, Hamburg, New York, Los Angeles. This transatlantic route connects Western Europe to North America, handling a large volume of trade in both directions, including automobiles, consumer goods, and electronics. Australia and Oceania routes, main ports: Sydney, Melbourne, Auckland, and Brisbane. These routes serve trade between Australia and Oceania and major global markets, transporting both raw materials and consumer goods. Intra-Asia route, main ports: Hong Kong, Shanghai, Singapore, and Bangkok. These routes serve the Asian markets, linking major manufacturing hubs and supporting the movement of components, finished goods, and raw materials. Trade implications. Container ships are essential for the global supply chain and contribute to economic globalization. They help in reducing shipping costs, providing faster transportation, and offering scalability for transporting large volumes of goods. Major port hubs like Singapore, Hong Kong, Rotterdam, and Los Angeles are strategically positioned to handle the immense volume of containerized cargo that flows through these routes. Container ships are integral to industries like electronics, fashion, automotive, and food, facilitating efficient and cost-effective international trade.